你们好，我是春燕。Hello, this is the Chinese language instructor Chun Yan. Welcome to Mandarin for Classroom. In today's lesson, we're going to talk about times. Let's start. Before we learn about times, you need to know about numbers from 1 to 59. You can watch these videos to learn about numbers in Chinese. Now let's start to talk about times. First one, 点. 点 means clock or hour. The structure for 点 is number plus 点. For example, 1 o'clock, 一点. 一点 2 o'clock 两点 两点 Here, please pay attention. Number 2 is very special number. When you talk about two things or 2 o'clock, you say 两 but not 二. So 2 o'clock is 两点两点 3 o'clock 三点三点 4 o'clock 四点四点 5 o'clock 五点五点 6 o'clock 六点六点 7 o'clock 七点七点 8 o'clock 八点八点 9 o'clock 九点九点 10 o'clock 十点十点 11 o'clock 十一点十一点 12 o'clock 十二点十二点 minutes 分分 The structure for minutes is number plus 点 plus number plus 分 For example, 5 past 1 1点5分1点5分 10 past 2 2点10分2点10分 17 past 3 3点17分3点17分 5 past 8 8点5分8点5分 25 past 11 11点25分11点25分 40 past 12 12点40分12点40分 A quarter 一刻一刻 The structure is number plus 点 plus 一刻 For example, quarter past 1 1点一刻1点一刻 Quarter past 3 3点一刻3点 一刻。Quarter past 9. 9点一刻。9点一刻。Quarter past 12. 12点一刻。12点一刻。Half. 半。半。The structure is number plus 点 plus 半。For example, 1:30. 1点半。1点半。2:30. 2点半。2点半。6:30. 6点半。6点半。9:30. 9点半。9点半。12:30. 12点半。12点半。Lack or to fall short of. 差。差。The structure is 差 plus number plus 分 plus number plus 点。For example, 5 minutes to 2 o'clock. 差5分2点。差5分2点。10 to 4 o'clock. 差10分4点。差10分4点。A quarter to 12 o'clock. 差1刻12点。差1刻12点。How do we ask what time is it now? We don't translate every single English word in Chinese. When you talk about the time, we don't need subject and verb. What time is it now? So in Chinese, we don't need this one. We say now. What time? 现在几点？现在几点？ It's 10 o'clock. 现在10点。现在10点。What time is it now? 现在几点？ It's 10:30. 现在10点半。现在10点半。现在几点？ It's 11:15. 现在11点1刻。现在11点1刻。现在几点？ It's 10 to 12. 现在差10分12点。现在差10分12点。Thank you very much for learning Chinese with me. I hope you enjoy it and learn something about the time. Next video, I'm going to talk about the time again, AM and PM. And how do you talk about your daily routine? Okay, please leave your question and comment. I will see you again next time. 再见。